Over the years, Holdfasts have probably been one of my best-selling products here at Black Bear Forge. Unfortunately, over the last year, material prices have gone up so much that I was a little bit reluctant to make them. I could have afforded to do it and probably absorbed the price, but I finally broke down, ordered materials, and I had a choice at that point of either getting materials immediately at about 5 times the price that I had been paying, or waiting 6 weeks and getting materials at about 1.5 times the price I had been paying. So that's what I chose to do, and that's not bad. That's a price that I can absorb, and at least for now, I don't have to raise the price of the Holdfast to my customers. But that also means there's a little bit of a pent-up demand, and I need to get busy working on these. So once the materials were on hand, it was time to start preparing the stock by cutting them on the Marvel bandsaw, deburring them on a grinder, texturing them, and then getting busy making Holdfasts. Now, because this is a production item, I need to be efficient doing this. I didn't make a real thorough instructional video for you, but I did film the process. And if you'd like to see what I've been up to the last few days, here's a short video showing the process. Black Bear Forge is sponsored by Combat Abrasives. Use the link in the video description and the coupon code BLACKBEAR10 for a discount on your next order. So I hope you enjoyed that look at how I make holdfasts. I know we've looked at various holdfasts in the past, but since it's one of those things I make quite a few of, if you really want to know what I'm doing in the shop, well, that's what I'm really doing in the shop. In addition to holdfasts, as the holiday season comes on, I'm going to be trying to keep axes and adzes and froes and a few other things available in my Etsy shop. That means I have to balance my time between making videos here on YouTube and doing that work in the shop. Still plan to have a video every Sunday morning for you to watch, but they may be a little shorter, a little simpler, and maybe not quite so detailed in the narration, just so I can balance that time. The reality is the holiday sales are one of the things that puts money in the bank to carry me through most of the next year. And speaking of the Etsy shop, for the folks here on YouTube, I have t-shirts back in stock, both the bear at the anvil in the gray shirt and the bear at the power hammer on the maroon shirt. So if you've been waiting for a t-shirt, those are available on the Etsy shop. Anyways, I need to get back to work. I hope you have time in your day to get into your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.